1. Attracting good luck. Have you ever noticed how things seem to go your way when you're feeling positive? Well, cleaning can be a great way to boost your positivity. When I started keeping my space tidy, I noticed a change in my mood. I felt more upbeat and confident. I remember when I was job hunting a few years ago, I had been feeling down and my apartment was a mess. One day, I decided to give it a thorough clean. The next day, I woke up feeling refreshed and optimistic. I went to a local cafe for coffee, struck up a conversation with a stranger, and ended up with a job lead that turned into my dream career. Coincidence? Maybe. But I believe that the positive energy from my clean space played a part in attracting that opportunity. 2. Grab the opportunity. Being organized is like being ready for action at any moment. Think about those movie scenes where the hero needs to grab their passport and jump on a plane at a moment's notice. If their room was a mess, they'd never make it in time. In real life, opportunities don't always announce themselves with dramatic music. They can pop up unexpectedly, and being organized helps you seize them quickly. I learned this lesson when a friend called me about a last-minute ticket to a concert I'd been dying to see. Because my house was clean and organized, I was able to find my wallet, grab a jacket, and be out the door in minutes. If my place had been a mess, I might have missed out. 3. Clears your mind. Cleaning can be a form of moving meditation. When I'm scrubbing the kitchen counter or folding laundry, I find my mind settles into a calm, focused state. It's like all the worries and to-do lists fade away, and I'm just present in the moment. This mental clarity isn't just temporary. After a good cleaning session, I often find solutions to problems I've been mulling over. It's the act of cleaning my physical space also tidies up my mental space. Cleaning acts like a moving meditation, helping you focus on the present and reduce stress. It allows you to release attachments and worries, leaving you more relaxed. Next time you're feeling overwhelmed, try some light cleaning. You might be surprised at how much clearer your thoughts become. Did you find the video helpful so far? Please consider liking the video and type "I am minimalist" in the comments below. And if you're ready to declutter your home, don't forget to join my 7-day declutter challenge, link in the description. 4. Noticing the little things. When you clean regularly, you start to notice small details you might have overlooked before. Maybe it's the way sunlight hits your bookshelf in the afternoon, or the intricate pattern on your grandmother's old vase. This increased awareness doesn't stop at home. I've found that the habit of noticing details while cleaning has made me more observant in other areas of life too. I appreciate the changing colors of leaves in fall more than I used to, or the way my friend's eyes crinkle when she laughs. Cleaning makes you more observant, helping you notice small details in your environment and in life. This can lead to more moments of happiness and appreciation. It's about training your eye to see beauty in the everyday things around you. 5. You feel happier. There's a scientific reason why cleaning makes you feel good. When you clean, your brain releases serotonin, often called the happy hormone. This is why you might feel a sense of satisfaction after tidying up your space. I noticed this effect when I started making my bed every morning. It's a small task, but it sets a positive tone for the day. Coming home to a made bed in the evening feels like a small gift to myself, and it genuinely lifts my mood. Cleaning triggers the release of serotonin, the happy hormone. It calms your mind and creates a positive environment, making you feel more content and peaceful. It's not just about having a clean space, it's about creating an environment that supports your emotional well-being. 6. Your income increases. This might sound far-fetched, but studies have shown a correlation between regular cleaning habits and higher income. While cleaning itself won't magically put money in your bank account, the skills you develop through regular cleaning can translate to success in your career. Cleaning teaches you to be organized, to plan ahead, and to pay attention to details. These are all valuable skills in the workplace. When I started applying my cleaning habits to my work life, keeping my desk tidy, organizing my files, planning my day, I noticed I became more efficient. This led to better performance reviews and eventually a promotion. Studies show that people who clean regularly tend to have a higher income. Cleaning teaches planning and organization, which can help you excel in your career. It's about developing habits and skills that translate to professional success. 7. Save money. A clean, comfortable home can actually help you save money. When your space is tidy and inviting, you're less likely to feel the urge to go out and spend money on entertainment or dining out. I found that after I started keeping my apartment clean, I was happier spending evenings at home, saving money on restaurant bills and movie tickets. Cleaning also encourages a DIY mentality. When you're in the habit of taking care of your space, you're more likely to tackle small repairs or improvements yourself rather than paying someone else to do them. I learned how to fix a leaky faucet and paint my own walls, saving hundreds of dollars in the process. Cleaning can reduce unnecessary spending by making your home more comfortable, cutting down on the urge to go out. It also encourages a DIY mentality, which helps you save money. It's about creating a space you enjoy being in, which naturally leads to more frugal habits. 8. Boost your focus. A cluttered space can be incredibly distracting. When I used to work at a messy desk, I found my eyes and thoughts constantly wandering to the piles of papers or random objects around me. But in a clean, organized environment, it's much easier to focus on the task at hand. This improved focus doesn't just apply to work. Whether you're trying to read a book, practice a hobby, or have a meaningful conversation with a loved one, a tidy space helps you stay present and engaged. A clean, organized environment reduces distractions, making it easier to focus on tasks. A clutter-free space helps you concentrate better and be more productive. It's about creating an environment that supports your mental focus rather than competing for your attention. 9. Become healthier. A clean home is a healthier home. Regular cleaning removes dust, allergens, and harmful bacteria that can affect your health. I used to get frequent colds, but after I started cleaning more thoroughly and regularly, I noticed I got sick less often. Cleaning also improves air quality. Dusting, vacuuming, and opening windows to let fresh air in can make a big difference in how you feel. I found that I sleep better and wake up feeling more refreshed in a clean bedroom with fresh sheets. A clean environment is essential for good health. Cleaning can eliminate harmful elements like mold and improve the overall quality of the air you breathe, leaving you feeling healthier. It's not just about appearances, it's about creating a space that supports your physical well-being. 10. More free time. This might sound counterintuitive. How can spending time cleaning give you more free time? But think about how much time you spend looking for things in a messy space. Keys, important documents, that book you wanted to read. Searching for these items can eat up a lot of time. When everything has a place and is in its place, you save time in your daily life. I calculated that I save about 30 minutes a day now that my space is organized. That adds up to over 180 hours a year. Imagine what you could do with all that extra time. With a tidy space, you won't waste time searching for things. This can save you up to 150 hours per year, giving you more free time to enjoy hobbies, relax, or pursue new interests. It's about investing a little time in organization to gain a lot of time in the long run. There you have it. 10 reasons why cleaning will improve your life. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to join my free 7-day declutter challenge to take your decluttering journey to the next level. Click the link in the description to sign up.